Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with PWWcards.com, Prestige Worldwide, wide sports and cards. We're getting ready to do a 4-box half-case break of 2020-2021 Panini Revolution Basketball Chinese New Year Edition. This is Chinese New Year 4-box break number 1 from eBay. It is Sunday, April the 25th. Thanks for getting the break. Here is our case, sealed and ready to go, locked and loaded. Let's see what we've got. As always, if you would like shipping, insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case one-touch for any card that you have, go to pwwcards.com. You can pick that up there. Let's take these front 4. How about that? There's also personal breaks on there, so maybe you want your own box of this or anything else that we have listed. Let us know. All right. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. I think basketball in general is a value play right now. Prices have been cooling off a little bit, and people are still playing really well. So I'm waiting for it to start rebounding because I don't know. I got an insider hot tip that Jaren Jackson Jr. would be a good pickup. I don't know if I believe that or not, but heading into the playoffs, you never know. You never know. All right, we're looking for 12 Chinese New Year parallels. Like I said, I'll do my best to look at these and tell what they are, but here we go. R.J. Barrett, Buddy Hield. How are we looking on there? Good. Peyton Pritchard. That's kind of like a red. That's a New Year insert there. Drummond and Kyle Kuzma. So Boston's first one with Roberto. First one with a New Year insert. Embiid, Nwora, rookie. Then we got a D. Rose with the New Year going out to Detroit and Adam K. Brooke Lopez and Lou Williams. Bam Adebayo, Pascal Siakam. There's a Kenyon Martin Jr. rookie New Year insert going out to Houston. That's going to be Ivan S. C.J. McCollum and Nikola Jokic. What do we got here? Little James Harden, Vernon Carey Jr. rookie. Mike Conley of the Jazz with the New Year insert. And then a Zinger and Levine. Ben Simmons, Aaron Baines. Look at that little LeBron James New Year. Very nice. Going out to the Lakers. That's Justin R. Kemba Walker and Gordon Hayward. Looks kind of blue. Or no. Guess that's just the Hornets colors, huh? A little Zion action there. Going out to you quickly. Rookie. Lonzo Ball New Year. Hachimura and De'Aaron Fox. Cam Reddish. Looking for Cam Reddish. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Colin Sexton, Jalen Smith, rookie, Chinese New Year. Parallel. Van Vliet and Miles Turner. Man, Miles Turner, he was the hot stuff for a while. What happened to him? Plays in Indiana. I guess you guys don't get a lot of love playing in Indiana. All right, come on now. This pack is like disintegrating. All right. Aaron Gordon, LaMelo Ball rookie. There you go. Little base rookie, but still nice. Going out to Charlotte and Torrent. Markelle Fultz, New Year. Kobe White and Kyrie. Chinese New Year last year was pretty cheap for a while, too, and then it shot up. Bertans, Oladipo. There's a Desmond Bain rookie New Year insert. Trae Young and Anthony Davis. Tyler Hero, Obi Toppin rookie. K-Love New Year. Vucevic and Doncic. Jimmy Butler, Al Horford, James Harden, New Year, Wood, and Bridges. Bridges is having a nice year. D-Rose, Josh Green, rookie, then a Steven Adams, New Year parallel, Robinson, and Booker. All right, that does it for box number 1. On to box number 2. Maybe. Alright, come on now. A little sticky. Alright. Gordon, Bertans. There's a Nwora rookie. Trae Young and Anthony Davis. That Nwora was the New Year parallel rookie. It's not just like any rookie. Oops, there's Luka. Luka on the back. All right, Oladipo, green rookie. Then a Kemba Walker, New Year, Vucevic, and Doncic. What's the pattern to these? I'm already seeing repeating patterns. You guys watched enough of this to figure that out? Hero, Butler. There's a Vernon Carey Jr. New Year. Wood and Bridges. What was that one product? Ascension. Al Horford. Xavier Tillman rookie. There's a Gordon Hayward New Year. Then a Mitchell Robinson and Devin Booker. Rose, Conley. There's a Hachimura New Year. Steph Curry and Brandon Clark. LeBron James. Malachi Flynn rookie. Then we got a De'Aaron Fox New Year. Ingram and Murray. Lonzo Ball, Markelle Fultz. There's a Quickly rookie New Year. Tatum and George. Alright, that one's decided to be different. Kevin Love. There's a James Wiseman rookie. Van Vliet New Year. And a DeRozan Lillard. Finish us off. Adams, Levert. Oh, LaMelo Ball, Chinese New Year. Very nice. Going out to Charlotte. Torrent. There you go, Torrent. Congrats on that one. Griffin and Markkanen. Brown, Tyler Bay, rookie. And then a Miles Turner New Year. Ja Morant and Klay Thompson. Chris Paul, Bradley Beal. There's a Klay Thompson New Year. Karl Anthony Towns and Jarrett Culver. Giannis. There's a Najee rookie. Kobe White, Chinese New Year. Porter Jr. and a Norman Powell. All right. 2 boxes down, 2 boxes to go. We have more basketball coming up. Got another Chinese New Year. Dub V is going to be breaking that on Friday. It'll be a different case. So that's break number 3. That's why it's number 3, because it's a first half of another case. So be sure to check that out. Look for the second half of this case next weekend as well. It'll be break number 2. Typically how I number things is keep the case numbers together. Gobert, Graham. There's a Killian Hayes rookie New Year. Rozier and Gordon. All right, LaMarcus retired, and Theo Maledon rookie, followed by a Kyle Kuzma New Year, Valanciunas and Ayton. Jaren Jackson Jr., Elfrid Payton. Then we got a Jaden McDaniels rookie New Year, Julius Randle and Sabonis. Or Drew Holiday. Why did I say Julius Randle? That's Drew Holiday. My bad. Read it too fast. Randle's balling. Draymond Green, Noir rookie. Brooke Lopez, Chinese New Year. Melo and D'Angelo Russell. John Collins mix, RJ Barrett, Quickly rookie New Year, Andre Drummond and Kyle Kuzma. All right, come on now. Buddy Hield, Vernon Carey Jr. rookie, followed by Lou Williams New Year, Brooke Lopez, Lou Williams again. Lots of Lou. And we're ripping packs. These things are like so sensitive. Not used to that from Panini. Embiid, Bam Adebayo. There's a Cassius Winston Chinese New Year rookie. CJ McCollum and Nikola Jokic. That was Washington and Emmett C. Siakam, Quickly rookie. CJ McCollum New Year parallel. Porzingis and Levine. Harden, Simmons. Then a Theo Maledon New Year parallel for OKC and Ivan. Kemba Walker, Gordon Hayward. Aaron Baines, LaMelo Ball rookie, another one. Followed by Jokic New Year, Hachimura, and Fox. Zion, Gilgeous-Alexander, Porzingis New Year, Van Vliet, and Turner. Sexton, Obi Toppin rookie, and a Zach LaVine New Year, Kobe White, and Kyrie Irving. All right, box number 2 or 3 is in the books. On to box number 4. Good luck to everybody. Again, thanks for breaking this. We do appreciate it. If you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case one-touch for any of your hits, get that at pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. We also have boxes for personal break on there. So get in where you fit in, as the kids say. Jaylen Brown, Halliburton. There you go, little Halliburton rookie. Then we got a Dame Lillard New Year, Trae Young, and Anthony Davis. Chris Paul, Bradley Beal. There's a Tyler Bay rookie New Year, Vucevic, and Doncic. Giannis, Tate rookie, followed by Aaron Baines. Oh, Batman. Christian Wood and Miles Bridges. Wrong Bane, I guess. Kawhi, Tim Hardaway Jr. There's a Zion New Year. Very nice. Going out to the Pelicans and Luke M. Mitchell Robinson, Booker. TJ Hooker. Devin Booker. All right. Kelly Oubre, Cassius Stanton rookie. Then a Gilgeous Alexander New Year, Steph Curry, and Brandon Clark. Hero Butler. There's a Tillman rookie. Lopez and Williams. Horford, Woodard Jr. rookie. Dejounte Murray New Year. McCollum and Jokic. Derrick Rose, Mike Conley. There's a Malachi Flynn for the Toronto Raptors and Camille M. That's coming to you. Zingis and the Zinger and Levine. LeBron James, Robert Woodard rookie, Jason Tatum New Year, Kemba Walker and Gordon Hayward. Lonzo Ball, Markelle Fultz, then a Paul George, New Year, Hachimura, and Fox. Crazy as a fox. Caleb Maxey, rookie, then a DeMar DeRozan, Van Vliet, Miles Turner. Last pack. Good luck here. Adams, LeVert. Then we got a James Wiseman. Very nice. Going out to the Golden State Warriors and Miles C. Miles, congrats on the Wiseman Chinese New Year parallel. Kobe White and Kyrie Irving. That does it for the break, guys. Thanks so much for getting the break. We'll get these sorted and shipped out. You have any questions, let us know. Appreciate you breaking with us. Look forward to breaking again with you soon. Hope you have a good night, a great week, and you stay safe. Peace.